Hey guys, I'm Paul the Motor Guy. Now I know many of you have put your bikes up for the winter months, so you're not getting any practice in. But there's still something that you can be doing, and that is thinking about your mental approach to riding, your defensive rider strategies. You can take this time to go through them scenarios in your head. If the driver does this, this is what I'm going to do. That way, when you get your bike back out in a couple of months, you're ahead of the 8 ball instead of behind it. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about a defensive rider strategy that I use. And that is I take as many negative variables out of the equation as I can while I'm riding. So let me give you 2 examples. I turn left at this intersection every day on my way home from work. Now let's look at the lanes. There's a U-turn lane, a left turn lane only, a straight or left turn lane, 2 straight lanes, and a right merge lane. Now, when making my left turn, I will always turn from the left turn lane only, and this is why. How many of you have either been in an accident or witnessed an accident where a vehicle was turning left from the straight or left turn lane, and the vehicle in the left turn lane only decided to go straight and T-bone the vehicle making the left turn? I've been to a lot of these accidents. So by me turning from the left turn lane only, I take out the negative variable of being T-boned. The only thing I have to worry about is being pinched by the vehicle turning next to me, but that's a much easier fix than being T-boned. Here is another example. I never exit next to a vehicle that's going straight. How many times have you seen a vehicle that is in the lane to go straight, but at the last minute, they decide to take the exit without any real warning? Because of this, I would either hang back until the vehicle is past the exit, or I would speed up so the vehicle is behind me as I'm taking the exit. Now, I will also not ride next to a vehicle that is taking an exit. How many times have you seen a vehicle at the last minute decide not to exit and then swerve back in the straight lane? Now, let me say it again. Just because you're not able to ride due to weather doesn't mean you can't be preparing yourself for when you get back on your bike. Now, I recommend you watching this playlist where I'm out on my motorcycle giving you defensive riding strategies as I'm actually on the road riding. Now, until next time, you got it. Practice, 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 and ride safe.